student, today you have to write the practice assignment number 2. Okay, and this is your last assignment work from this chapter number 2. Okay, and your first question is multiple choice question, MCQ. Which of the following is a densely populated region? And all of you know that the densely populated region is plains area. Okay. Question number 2. Which layer of soil contains most of the nutrient for plant growth? Which layer is the most fertility? Which layer? And you have already learned that the different types of layer of soil. Okay, and here is your answer is A, horizon. Okay, come to the next question, number 3. Okay, planting of more tree, what is called? Your answer is A, afforestation. Afforestation means planting more tree. Come to the next question, the process of breaking down rock, and what is called? Weathering. Through the weathering, rock cutting. Okay, come to the next one, number 5. Okay, which of the following agricultural technique is practiced in hilly area? And terrace cultivation and also contour plugging. And you already learned about the different types of agricultural technique. And here is 2 technique, agricultural technique, terrace cultivation and contour plugging. It is practiced in the hilly area. So your answer will be both of these. Okay. Come to the next question, question number 2. Fill in the blanks. And first one is regions with unfertile soil are naturally unproductive. If soil is unfertile, then this area is called unproductive. Uneven plateau surface are is sparsely populated region of the world. In whole world, it is not possible to survive in the uneven plateau surface. Okay, that's why population region in densely populated region is the plain area. Okay, next one is number 3. The destruction of the top layer of the soil is termed or called soil erosion. Number 4. Planting of shelter beds can help prevent the spread of desert. Okay. Number 5. Regur is good for growing cotton. Okay. It is also called black soil, cotton soil. And next one is write T for true and F for false statement. And here is your first statement that the peninsular plateau is the most fertile region of the world. And these statements are true. Okay. Come to the next one. Plains are the least populated region of the world. Least means very small. Okay, and plains regions are the most populated region. of the world. So these statements are false. Okay. And next one is black soil is known as regur. Already you have done in the fill in the blanks that the regur or black soil is also known as the cotton soil, and this statement is true. Soil consists of both inorganic and organic substances. It is also true. The topsoil is poor in humus and minerals. This is false. And come to the next one is match the following. Okay. First one is the pattern of land utilization, and what is called that the land use. Pattern of land utilization, it is called land use. Next one is mulching. What is mulching? Mulching means retain soil moisture. Okay. Next one is rich in humus and minerals. Which soil layer is rich in humus and minerals? A horizon. Okay. Most fertile soil. What is called most fertile soil? Alluvial soil. Topmost layer of the soil, it is O horizon soil. What you have to do like this, okay, and be careful when you are writing the true and false. True and false like this you have to write. Even I have been given so many reminders. After that you are what you did that the here is your sentence is finished and you write here. It is wrong. You have to write right side of the sentences, end of the sentences. Okay. You have to write this true and false in one line. Okay. Like this you have to matching that the using black pen and blue pen. And here is your today your this chapter is finished. Okay. Thank you.